Okay, welcome back to another episode of Smash Engineering. Today I'm working on the 99 Mercury Villager. The window motor here has gone bad. Luckily it went bad in the closed position. I did have one go bad on the other side a couple years ago and I changed it already. I didn't make a video for it, so I figured I'd go ahead and make a video for it just in case it can help somebody. So we're here at our local salvage yard. We're gonna go ahead and go in and see about getting one off of a van. They have 3 of these in there, so we're gonna take a look at that. And then also, I'd like to have a trailer hitch, so I'm gonna see if there's any trailer hitches in there and see if we can get a good deal on one.
Smash Engineering.
That's what it looks like. Pretty sure it's the same as the one I got, so we'll get to moving. Okay, so I apologize for the wind noise, but I'm gonna go ahead and record the whole thing on my own here. What you have to do to get this assembly apart. So first you have a Torx bit here. I think I said T50 before. Yeah, T50. And there's just 3 plastic clips and 4 metal clips on the back of this piece. Let's see if I can get a better angle here. All right, and then we got 2 10mm and 1 Phillips here. So we'll loosen that. Try not to lose any of this because you may still need it, depending on if you bought yours used or not. Once you got that out, there's just a little plastic clip holding it here. Pop that up, slide it out, and there you got your old one off. So I'm gonna grab my new one, plug it in. Before I install it all the way, I'm gonna see if it works real quick. So we'll go actuate it real fast just to see. All right, looks like it's working perfect, so we'll go ahead and put it back together. And we'll try it out. Awesome. Well, that's gonna pretty much wrap up this video. We got that working. Now I can open up the windows in the back. So if you like what you're seeing, throw a like up there, throw a comment on there. If you wanna subscribe for more, subscribe for more. Again, thanks for watching. Help your neighbor, help someone in need, and just try to have a great day.